Manipur da Ladiba, Maiki Awat Passing Men Katpangamnabagi Kong Tangamoina, 50 megawatt Rom Puthokkadaba, solar power plant Tongan Mafam Anida Saragani Haina, Power Minister Tongan Bishwarjit Fongdokre, Wafam Asingasi Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, MSPDCL Amadi Green Tree Global Anina, Punna Sinduna, Note AOC da Leiba, Hotel Imphal gi Sangai Hall da Pangthokiba, Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Ministry of Power gi meeting makada, Capacity Building of Discoms, Demand Side Management Measures Implementation, Launch Tobagi Thorum, Aduga Mari Lenina Fogdokibani, Thoramadu the Power Minister Tongan Bishwarjit Hai Kibada, India gi Northeast States Singi Manungda, Manipur Lengak Asida, Miam gi Oinalupa Crore Jahum. Humputara Mathoi subsidy piduna khwaidagi nemba mamalda mai fanghali masigi mathakta matamgi matunginna ahenba maigi mathau tabasing piba ngamnaba anova advanced technology sizinaduna mahusagi khal kaihandana mai puthoknaba anova project kaya su paikhali amadi miyamna mai sizinaba matamda arembada manghandana amadi wat nemba makhalgi electric appliance sing sizinaba su khanghanki loinana state revenue da Maruoiba sector Moiriba, power sector asi Mai Sizinariba Singna, Bill Kaya Thidokdaba Maramna, Sotharagliba si department na ahian meeting changduna, Yari Makai Kongalak Nabasu Kangala Kibatanatana, Tabak Amo Taubumatamda, Masa Masagi responsibility Kangna, Mana Kangbo Putokna Duna Chaukatba, Manipuram Oina Bohonasi, problem labor matamda, Magi, Migi Kaiduna Lerabadi, problem adu lotion mangamloy haibo afam singsu Fongdoki.
I responsibility I need to understand, I need to know the situation so that we can convince the other people also. Commissioner whosoever, maybe for a little time, maybe for 2 years, maybe for 3 years, I may go anytime, any moment. I can't predict it. As life is very much uncertain, what we need to do is we need to fulfill all the responsibilities so that we can deliver something to all people of Manipur and we can take work to the national.